Bruschette facili. Here we are again with another one of my little grandsons.
We made it back.
Oh,
Here.
well, give me a big kiss. Mwah. My goodness, you were like this last time, you know? And now you're like this. You finished college, you're working. Do you entertain now and then?
Now and then I like to have some friends over, and yeah, we love to eat, so.
I know you've been around the kitchen, but I thought I'd give you some pointers on bruschettas. How's that?
Yeah, show me how you do it.
Okay, I toasted some bread for you. Fettunta, you know, toasted in a little bit of oil and just rubbed with a little bit of garlic. And there's the way I would like a little bit of ricotta, fresh ricotta with some tomatoes on top. So let's take some ricotta with the spoon, put it in the middle. Okay, that's good. Put one on each. Okay. And you know, it's all about the freshness. You remember I used to tell you how I had my little goats and then we used to milk the goat and make the ricotta and all of that. It brings back memories. Now spread it nice and evenly.
It's not like my morning bagel. I like a lot of cream cheese.
Well, no such thing as enough ricotta for me. Okay, so now let's take some tomatoes and just like that. Tomatoes and ricotta are great. What do you usually put on tomatoes?
A little bit of salt, definitely some olive oil.
You see, you got the gist. Oh, you have the move. Good for you. A little bit of oil. Looks like you've done this before. What do you recall of being in my kitchen?
First memory is definitely rolling out the gnocchi with my cousins.
All around here you were.
Around here, yeah.
Yeah, you all had your little stool and a piece of gnocchi, and you were rolling that gnocchi, and you were all full of flour. I remember that. So get me some basil leaves. I think this would need some basil. Smells good. So does this look like a nice bruschetta? You think your friends would like that?
I think my friends would love this, yeah.
All right, let's put it on the board. You know, I am just the director here. I tell you where we're going. You know that. Now, let's do some fig bruschetta. I have some fig jam. We can spread a little fig jam. Then we can slice a little figs, put on top of the fig jam, and then we can just drape the prosciutto on top. How does that sound?
Awesome, yeah.
So, slices, nice thin slices. There you go. So line this with the figs, ripe figs, and prosciutto when in season are delicious together.
Now the prosciutto on top?
Yes, yes. Okay. That looks great, huh?
You want me to throw this on the tray too?
Sure, whatever you want to do. This is your party. So proud of them. They, you know, they sort of sometimes think, oh, I don't know how to do it, but they do it. It's in you. So you think you're going to make this for your friends?
You know, if I ever have the time and I have a lot of figs, I'll definitely try it out, that's for sure.
If you have the time. What are you so busy doing?
Life comes at you fast.
Does it?
For sure.
Look at it. I like the way you draped that prosciutto, and plenty of it. I know you like your prosciutto.
Mm-hmm.
So now you can even make a bruschetta that can be almost like a dessert.
Dessert bruschetta.
Yeah. When I was small, it was a treat for me to have a piece of chocolate and bread. Chocolate and bread sandwich. Have you ever tried that?
I don't think I can say I ever have.
Okay. Well, we need to get you trying one. But for now, ricotta and chocolate. And you know the candies that have hazelnuts and chocolate? I chopped some up. So sprinkle on top. Would you like something like that?
Yeah, I mean, it looks delicious, that's for sure.
Chocolate and hazelnuts are one of my favorite combinations. Okay, so give it a quick whack just like that. Okay. And cheers.
Cheers.
Salute.
Salute. That is very good.
The chocolate and the hazelnut sort of balances. So, you know, you didn't forget the inspiration that comes around this counter.
It used to be a lot bigger when I was younger, though, I'll tell you that much.
Now you dominate the table. Before, the table dominated you.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? But you know what? I just love having you guys all around. All little ones, big ones. Anywhere you come, I love having you here.